I can hear the demons call when they do it. Now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass half wish. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone, just wanna break, no. I'm not gonna give in, take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop out fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of bluff, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I just gotta get through, gotta get through. I just gotta get through, gotta get through. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all, if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it. All the searching, pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I can feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for joining me again today. So today is a nice day, it's an amazing day. So let us see how price is going to react today. Based on that, as usual, the target of very little profit, and then let the market to do whatever thing it wants to do, right? So that is where we are now. Okay, so we don't know yet what NAS is trying to do. We don't know yet. So let's hope it's gonna do something quite nice today. Let's just hope. Okay, while we're hoping, let's see, do some very simple analysis. So this was my analysis before this low was broken, and I wasn't paying enough attention here. Otherwise I would have taken some pips here and relax. The break of this 1 hour candle, it's an amazing opportunity to sell at least and get small pips, 30 pips, and relax again, because that's how we play the game these days. Get 30 pips, get the hell out, save your capital, stuff like that. It goes on and goes on and goes on. Let's see. So I'm gonna just wipe this chart since some move has started happening. Sorry. Okay, just to let me see. Sorry guys, I'm gonna interrupt you guys now. Sorry. Okay. Apologies guys. So sorry. So how is everyone doing? Kenneth, thank you for calling my attention to that distraction. Hello, Mr. Relax Sleep, how are you? Okay, let me just go straight to the business of the day. So daily time frame is looking quite good. It's looking pretty interesting. It's looking so bullish. But then the question we have to ask is this high, the high of the day, going to be broken for price to continue going up, giving us the 300 and something pips? Or is it going to break the low, or is it going to dance around like this and then tomorrow it's going to break the low and continue going down? Because do not forget, price moves in waves, right? Price is moving in waves. Can you see? Then it created new low, created another low, a lower high, another low, some sort of consolidation, broke it again, created a lower high, and then a lower low. Well, how are we sure that this is not actually creating some sort of lower high for price to continue going down? We are not sure. I just wanted to call everyone's attention to this so that everyone is aligned on what price is looking at. Okay, this is not daily time frame, apologies. Okay, so sure. I don't know why the music is so loud. Okay, wow, what about now? Can you type please? Is the music okay now? Is it okay? Can someone respond please? Is the music okay now? Let me know, okay? Drop your comment, let me know. Okay, nice. Okay. One second, let me just look at these stuffs and work on the music accordingly. I wouldn't want to distract the fantastic stream today with loud music or stuff like that. Okay, music is perfect. Okay, if you say so. Apologies for that. This is weekly. I don't know what I was thinking. Okay, This is daily time frame right here. So it still boils down to what I was asking: is price going to continue going up, or is this some sort of reversal for price to continue going down? Looking at this previous Friday's bar, does not have any sort of lower wick. If this had got some lower wick, man, I think I would have just gotten in here and then I'll just keep quiet because I'm confident that it's gonna hit here, right? But then there's no lower wick, so it's a very uh, how do I describe this candle? It's very is the devil, right? So I better be careful with it. Okay, so nothing to mark in daily time frame. That daily. Thank you very much, Kenneth, and relax. Thank you so much. I don't know why I let the music try to spoil my streaming today, my mood, my fantastic mood, because today I feel so great. So that is it. 4 hours. Here we go. Okay, we have marked out two very important areas here. Let's mark out some more areas. We at least so we can have our target in sight for this live stream. If price is going up, this is going to be our target for this live stream. But of course, between intervals, we're going to take some profits away, bank some money so that we can come back and smile another day. So for the purpose of this live stream, this is going to be our target if price decides to sell. So we're not going to exceed this no matter how the volume comes. So I'm going to zoom into 1 hour. Okay. So making some little adjustments here so that we can have good visibility, of course, and a good entry point. This I wouldn't say is a very good entry. I wouldn't say this is a very good entry. Yeah, for 50 pips, I'm going to take advantage of this regardless of whatever thing is doing. I'm going to try to take advantage of this. It's going to be, if I'm taking advantage of this, it's going to be a very quick trade because I have a clean candle to the left hand side, right? Over here, I have a clean candle to the left hand side, but then I just have one doubt here, and that doubt is this. This is the doubt. What if price comes right here and of course finds support here and keep going up? That is going to be smart money traders fighting with smart money traders, which yeah, I understand smart money concept, but I don't feel it. It's not my style. I've tried it. I lost a lot of money trading smart money, so I'm not interested in trading that again. So I'm gonna just adjust this guy. Yeah, this is actually gonna be above. So today, I don't know. Should I call today a tough day? Today is not really tough. It's an easy day. Just that we need to get secure closure below we need to secure some sort of closure below 12108 before we can decide to sell. Otherwise, we wait for NYSE open so that we can have a clean direction of where price is going to. Okay, so let us keep exploring this chart until we get good visibility on what price is about to do. Don't forget, I have marked these lines based on the levels that I have seen. Okay, and I have mentioned that if we should buy today, this is a very good. Was it here, or did I delete any line here? Okay, if we should buy today, this is a very good place to secure profits. So I'm gonna just move my buy line. Perhaps if price crosses above here, it's an amazing, awesome place to buy. If price should cross above 12195, so let's set it up. Buy. Okay, close 50 to 80%. How many pips do we have here? Buying here and closing, that's 35, that's 30 pips if I'm not mistaken. Okay, 28, 30 pips. Yeah, that's perfect. And then closing the rest here, the partials. Oh god, no man, don't delete. Closing partials right here. Okay, so the question is, what is it gonna be? What is price gonna do? I'm gonna set up 2 entries here for sell, but I'm just gonna use one. I'm setting up 2 entries, but I'm just gonna use one. Okay, any of them that force triggers is what I'm gonna use. So this right here, I'm gonna call it closure at 50 to 80 percent. Then I think it makes sense for us to target 11975 as our final target, for us to have it as our final target. I'm gonna tell you why. If you're using trend line, when you join your trend line above, and of course join it below, you're gonna see that this is a channel rise. This is some sort of rising flag, if I'm not mistaken. I don't trade rising flag. I've tried to see if I can maneuver this to become a wedge, but this cannot become a wedge. But then ideally it makes sense to anticipate a break here. If this break, we're going to see a retest of either this level. Sorry, we need to see a retest of either this level or this level, right? If this level gets, this 1 2 level gets any of them gets a retest and closure below, then we can get in there and ride the price until here. Why? Because this is a rising flag, and for rising flag, the break and retest of rising flag is gonna make the it's gonna prompt price to correct everything until the start of the flag, right? So, but for me, I think price may even come as low as here. But then I'm not gonna hope on this. I'm just gonna take my profit as usual and get the hell out, because it's my profit, and I'm not struggling for that with anybody. Nobody's gonna take it away from me as usual. So let me zoom into 30 minutes to see if there are better entry opportunities. So what I'm gonna do is anticipate price to retest this level, right? If price can retest this level, it means that we are big boys today. Okay, then we get in either retesting here. If price retest here, then we get in here at 12182.48 and secure up to 130 something pips, even more. Okay, but then the question is, what is price gonna do? We don't know, so we wait. So sell here when price retest this area, that is 12155 area, and closes below. Okay, and then sell also when price crosses and closes 12103. So that is the game plan today. Okay, so the major determinant of what we're going to do here today is this 30 minutes. How is it going to close? How is this current 30 minutes going to close? You don't know, I don't know. So however it closes at 5:30 NYSE open, then we can take advantage of price from there. Okay, so let's see how this works out. The fact that this is broken is not a criteria for price to keep going up. In case you don't know, It could be a fake out whereby people are going to hop into sell and then it's going to liquidate them, right? So we have to be very careful here. We need to play, 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 and I repeat, we need to play so safe, guys. We need to play so safe. It's very important that we play very safe and smart at the same time. It makes sense to play safe and smart at the same time. And to do this, now look at other possibilities. My main concern now is that the trend is still bullish. Why? These 4 hours has not been broken. Rather, I would say that price is consolidating until it breaks below 129. This is judging from 4 hours, right? Until price breaks below 121.17. That is when I can confirm that at least we may see up to 25 pips, even up to 70. And if with enough volume we see 125 and 140, right? So let's hope that break happens. Let's hope the break happens. Let's just hope it happens, right? So this is a very tempting stuff right there. Let's assume at 5:30 the low of this current 1 hour is broken. It's going to be some sort of a good opportunity for us to get in strong. But at this point in time, I don't trust nothing here. So everyone, please be careful. If you are risking, risk very low, I will advise. Okay, let's see if there is any holidays today. Okay, no bank is on holidays. Oh, they're very hungry today. They're money hungry today. It's okay. Nice. Okay, let's wait and see how at least 15 minutes and 5 minutes they're gonna give us some sort of cue, or do I say clue to know when to get in. Okay, perhaps I have a strong feeling that this guy has come to retest this area, this other block around here, right? So it has come to retest it and it's going to keep going up. So I may fly in if I choose to. It's not the best thing to do, but sometimes I decide to take some, risk that are mind-blowing. And most of the times they are really paying. I mean, they pay the most. But then any day you're not so lucky, you'll be so messed and you'll be so mad at yourself. So I feel this is actually retesting this other block. That is the only thing I could say now. I feel it's retesting this other block. So let's wait for some sort of cue from this pair. As long as price has not broken below the swing low, as long as price has not broken the previous swing low, there is very big possibility, very high probability that price will continue going up. Okay, I mean that's a lot of profit right there. I'm gonna risk like mad, man. I need money. Need money, man. After weekend, I will normally need money because we spend some money. But please do not listen to me. Do not be motivated by my stupid speech, because what I just said now is not part of the streaming. Assume is not part of the streaming, please. Just assume, please, because it's not the right thing to say. It leads to greed. Okay, you can see clearly here, guys. I'm actually very excited because price is going to move today. If price is breaking this level, there is clean traffic around here. I mean, you can see this clean traffic. The only obstacle I see here is this support right here, right? this support right here, this daily obstacle I see, you can see how it's formed, right? This is some sort of breakout, fake out. It faked out here, right? See? So it came down, it wanted to go down, but then it formed a fake out. So this is the only thing I'm worried about, okay? But then this is a clean traffic. They can make some money even between the breakout and the support area, right? This is 30 pips, man. It's enough for one day. Super enough. So I think US oil is doing something very interesting. Crude oil, I say this is a fake out, and if this happens to be a fake out, then crude oil is going to drop like no man's business. It's going to drop until at least this level. It's going to drop until 523.26 pips. That is huge, guys. I said that this is a fake out. The way it's behaving, it's just behaving like a complete fake out. Even when you go to 5 minutes, you can see clearly. Okay, look for something to join. You're going to see fake out on top of this place. Join something. Just join anything you want to join. Okay. Okay, let's say I join this. All right. So see, if I join this guy went out and went back inside and closed, right? If I decide to call this a level, I decide to draw a level here. See what happened? Faked out. Went out and closed back in. So the question is it going to continue going up or down? So the best way to trade this today, specifically today, is to wait for break of this low. Okay, that is why you see me, I have my alarm here. Once it breaks that low, guy, I'm moving in. I'm gonna move in and get some money. Okay, I think that is what it's about to do. But then looking at this, my god, this is, if I had seen this earlier, I would have risked, maybe 0.5% here. I mean, this is not part of my trading plan, but then this is something I've seen happen in a lot of pairs. One useless candle coming in a situation like this. For instance, look at this. I'm going to show you something very interesting here. Look at this. Looking at this point, then you begin to see this level, right? You begin to see this level. I mean, using an ordinary mind, you're going to assume that this price is not going to break this level, right? It's never going to break this level. It will just continue, come here, hit here, and continue going down. So with this mentality, market makers tries to trap people, to trap buyers, at the same time liquidate sellers, right? This is how money is made, right? So when buyers see that this is breaking out, they're going to buy, and then they're trapped automatically, so they're going to have to exit the market at this point. And at the same time, for the sellers who got in somewhere here, okay, of course their stop loss is going to be somewhere here, right? So market makers are just going to hit their stop loss, liquidate their positions, and keep going down. See, it's going down. Like I just said, it's a fake out. I've seen it play out. See, I've seen this play out a lot of times, guys. So if you have the energy, guys, here we go. Let's try out oil. Okay, let's try out oil and see how much is going to fetch us today. I'm not advising you to take this trade. This is out of my personal experience. Okay, so if you have the capital to trade this oil, here we go. This is a position. If it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out, we lose. Risk only 0.5% of your account, not more, please, not more, not more. I don't know, let me look at NAS to see. I believe NAS should be going down as well. NAS should be going down as well. Oh, NAS is still jimming. Still jimming. That's nice. So now, good thing about this oil position that we've taken here is, good thing about this position right here is that it has broken 1 hour, previous 1 hour. So my mind is justified. Okay, I'm at peace with this trade. Why? Even if I lose it, I'm gonna be at peace with the loss. Why? I'm gonna be at peace because previous 1 hour has been broken, right? And like I told you guys, I saw this as a fake out. I've seen this happen a lot of times. When you have equal highs there, suddenly one candle goes to push all the way up, liquidating sellers positions, and of course engaging buyers on disappointing them at this level. So for buyers, automatically, if you're a buyer who uses stop loss, you're gonna put your stop loss below this candle, right? And of course, if you're a buyer who is stupid and you don't use stop loss, then your money is going down like this. The way this candle is going down, that is where the way your losses is multiplying. So that is why I have been stupid enough to make those mistakes, and I will never make them again. Okay, so if you're in this trade, please put your stop loss right here. Please, you can see stop loss at 10993. Okay, make sure that is risking 99 pips. For I'm going to increase the take profit because this was not the level I was looking at. It's not the level. What the hell is wrong with this guy? Eraser. Okay, nice. So just to be fair, I'm going to put this position and leave it until the end. Is either it's his stop loss, that's why I risk very little. Okay, either it's his stop loss, or we leave it at the end of our streaming. We decide on what we're going to do with the position. Okay, this may happen in reverse, but in reverse I mean, what if market makers are trying to trap sellers? That is the question I just asked myself, right? Looking at the fact that 4 hours is not yet broken, what if market makers are trying to trap sellers? So this is a very important point, but I wish I can just see my entry point again, but then I couldn't see it. I don't know why I lost my, yeah, that's it. So I'm just going to look for a way to see if I can mitigate risk, just in case it gets to a level where I cannot take it anymore. I'll just manage the trade. Okay, this is a very awesome thing to take if it works out the way I'm planning. Sorry, I'm not looking at chats now. I am not looking at YouTube to see what you guys are typing. I'm going to be back there just shortly, trying to see how this trade is going to benefit all of us. Okay, so like I told you guys, if I had seen this trade right here, I would have gotten in here because I know how this guy plays out. I know how these setups like this play out. Before a substantial move happens, it must go and liquidate somebody or group of people. I got in late. If I had gotten in early, I would have made about 134 pips now. I would have been out and sleeping. Okay, let's see how this plays out. Please don't mind this very large target I've added here. Just stick to 107.18 so that it becomes achievable for us. When we put some or do I say inachievable or unachievable targets, it becomes very difficult to deal with, right? So, and this